Ocean Solutioners, welcome back. So in recent weeks, we've been working on putting together an on-the-go no-waste kit because as of April 1st, we want to help out restaurants by taking all of our to-go things with us so that that's one less thing that they have to provide. We've got one last thing to add to our kits before they are complete, and that is the reusable water bottle, and if you like to, the reusable coffee cup. You can just take one or the other depending on what you're going to do. Me personally, I like to take both of them with me because I like my water and then I like my flavored beverages. So obviously the first rule of either a water bottle or a reusable coffee cup is to use what you have. If you don't happen to have anything and you do need to go out and purchase one, then I would say that the general rule of thumb is to get one that is as close to 100% stainless steel as you can possibly get. Now, obviously the Hydro Flask aren't super close or aren't perfect because we do have a plastic top and a plastic straw, but we're really, really close, and this has a really, really, really long reusability factor, and the disposal is much easier than that of an all plastic one. The same rules apply for your coffee cup. Now, since we've kind of gone over everything, let's go ahead and retrace and put together our entire on-the-go no-waste kit. And that includes our reusable bag here, and I like to keep mine cute. It also includes our bamboo utensil set with straws already intact, so that goes with us. We have our water bottle, we have our reusable coffee cup, and last but not least, we have a to-go container. And once you put all of these in the bag, there is your on-the-go, no waste, no single-use plastic kit. All right, you guys, if you need a couple of things, please check out OceanCore Bros and enter OceanCore in the discount box for your 10% discount. A cow kit, which is something that OceanCore Bros has, is almost one of these all together, aside from the cup and perhaps the bag, but it's super, super close. So if you're looking for something super cute and easy, try the cow kit. If you have an extra moment, please check out Nara Treasures on Etsy and make a donation to OceanCore by way of purchase. And of course, whatever you learned here, everyone, share it forward. Thanks for diving in. We'll see you next time.